Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, depending on your location, and thank you for joining us for the latest broadcast of our news program today. Welcome to Family Writers Press International. My name is Chikezi Ogadimma. Tonight, we bring you a deeply troubling development from northeastern Nigeria. This remains a tragedy that is raising urgent questions about national security, leadership, and accountability. Reports from Borno State confirm that IPOB fighters killed Brigadier General Oseni Brema and 17 other Nigerian soldiers in a coordinated attack. The attacks, described by security analysts as highly organized and deliberate, reportedly took place across Beni Sheikh, Ngamdu, and Pulka. This is not just another tragic headline. It is a moment that demands national reflection. For years, insurgency in Nigeria's northeast has exposed deep flaws in security and response systems. Military bases are being attacked, soldiers are being ambushed in the field, and it is clear that insurgents are growing more coordinated and confident in their operations. The loss of a brigadier general and 17 soldiers is more than a setback. It raises serious questions about a nation that leaves its defenders vulnerable. Globally, nations are often judged by how they respond to threats against their citizens and military personnel, a responsibility that defines their standing on the international stage. In some countries, the loss or even the risk of a single life can trigger swift and decisive action, backed by significant resources and coordination. Observers say the contrast highlights the importance of urgency, accountability, and strategic response in times of crisis. Back home, critics argue that responses to such attacks have too often followed a familiar pattern, where statements are made, condemnations follow, but attention fades while the human cost keeps rising. These fallen soldiers were not statistics. They were sons, fathers, and protectors on the front lines who gave everything for the sake of our collective peace and security. Experts warn that unchecked attacks can embolden armed groups and deepen public concern. Moments like this call not only for remembrance, but for careful evaluation, accountability, and meaningful action. But in the absence of such, the public is advised to rethink their position about the damning unity of the country. You are watching Family Writers Press International. I am your news anchor. Stay with us for more updates as we continue to bring you the latest news.